Oh, hello. Today we're going to be installing headlights on a 2016 Frontier. This will work for any Frontier 2009 to 2021. It's your second gen Frontier. They won't work with the, I'm sure it's the same procedure for the 08, 05 to 08, but they did a little facelift, so it won't be exactly the same. But all we're going to need for this project is a flathead screwdriver, 10mm socket. Well, let's first start off by popping open that hood and getting that grill off. So, to get the grill off, you're just going to need to pop off these grommets here. There are 6 of them. Then there's 6 little tabs down in here. There's one of them. You'll pop all those out, the grill will come right off.
I'm so fast at this. Wow.
Alright, that's off. So I went ahead and ordered a bunch of these trim grommets, whatever you call them. This is when I did switch out my grill about a week ago. And a bunch of them broke, so I was like, screw it. When I do this, I'll just get a bunch of new ones. Plus, I can replace any ones that are already missing here, like this one's missing. And, yeah, so we'll get this rolling. So to take off your headlights, you got a bolt here, 10mm, 2 up here, and then 1 behind the trim on the bumper. I've seen plenty of videos where people take off the whole bumper, but I will show you how to change those out without taking your whole bumper off. You'll just want to rotate your wheel in so you can access under the wheel well right there. On mine, I had to take out a screw here. There's one up here also. I lied about only needing a flathead. I used a Phillips for that. And then you can bend that out and access that bolt on the bottom. And once you get that off, you can come up here. There's one. There's a 10mm bolt there. There's another one behind it. Don't know if you can see it. But I'll unscrew both of those and I'll make it so I can get this bumper down, bend it out of the way.
Alright, and as you can see now with that off, I just pull that back and I have access to that bolt right there. 10mm, there it is. Got those screws off, so just gently get this bad boy out of there. Shablam. And pretty much we're gonna plug and play with the new one. So since we're just switching to a new housing, we won't even need to unplug anything. Just take all the lights out of their housings. Sure not to break any of them. Shablam. Be sure not to touch your lights either, so you do not contaminate them with finger oil. And real quick, I'll wait a second.
Alright, so there's the old one and the new one. Just make sure everything's the same. They're upside down, but who cares? Excuse me. Almost plug this stuff in. On the halogen, the main halogen, you got three little thingies right there, which match up when you're putting it in. Alright, I'm going to figure this out, then I'll let you know what I did. Alright, I got that in. I just had to pull this little thing out a little bit. There's your running light. It's right in there. Maybe. Nice and snug. And your turn signal. Don't break it like I almost did. There. Sweet. Everything's in there. I'm going to turn it on to make sure it works before I put it back in there. Running lights, headlights. So I'll get that bad boy screwed back in, and then we'll repeat on the other side.
Look at how good I am at putting my headlight together. Wow! Let's screw it in. I think I lost a screw. I did lose a screw. I got a different one from inside. It's okay. We'll get through this.
Alright, and I just set that grill up there just to give you a look. There's the old one. You see it's all chrome lined. Paired with that new one. Wow. I mean, the light's not the best right now because the sun's facing my face. But that just looks so much better.
Let me tell you a story. I also have camping videos in this very truck that you can check out. It's really fun. Now, as you're watching me put my headlight back in, maybe you can think about checking out my other videos. They're really cool. Look at me! I can screw screws and bolt bolts. I like my fancy new headlights. The black trim matches my new black bumper. It's glossy. It looks more aggressive on the road. Look at me. I wish I had a Dodge Ram, bro.
Best part. Oh yeah. Alright, now we'll just get that grill back on there. It's a lot easier putting these things on when they're new. That's a finished project, ladies and gentlemen. So thanks for joining along on my headlight install on my 2nd gen Frontier. Pretty simple job, anybody could do it. So, until next time.